Welcome back to Vital Creations. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to deploy a meme coin on Ethereum mainnet, add liquidity and modify contract functions like taxes and wallet limits. Let's get started. Step 1 is to deploy the token contract. Open your browser and go to relaunching.org, a simple token deployer. Then select Ethereum and ensure you are a mainnet. Enter your token details like token name, symbol, and total supply. 4 is to set up a tax distribution. Marketing wallet receives a percentage for transaction fees. When it comes to the wallet, this is an optional for development funding. Choose whether to set max transaction limit or just click deploy and confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. 7 is once deployed, note that contract address, you'll need it for liquidity and future notifications. Step 2 is to verify the contract and Etherscan. Copy your contract address and paste it to Etherscan. Once verified, you'll be able to adjust token functions like taxes and limits. Step 3 is to add liquidity to your token. On relaunching.org, go to V2 Liquidity and click App Liquidity. Paste your contract address into the liquidity section and then choose the account tokens you want to add, like for example a 90% of supply. Input the ETH amount to pair with your token. Click Approve, then Supply to finalize. 6 is to once confirmed, trading will be enabled, allowing users to buy and sell your token. Step 4 is to modify token functions. Open your account to Etherscan and navigate to your right functions. Adjust settings like tax percentage if you want 2%, example 200 billion for 2%. Max wallet limit. If you want a 1% max limit, set it to 1 billion or 1 trillion. Max transaction amount limits how many tokens can be bought in a single transaction. 3 is to click the right function and confirm the transaction. Step 5 is the final steps and going live. If you want to remove the limits for full trading access, exclude your contract from max limits. To fully re-announce ownership, click Renounce Contract. This ensures no further modifications can be made. Your meme coins is now live and can be traded. That's it. You've successfully created a meme coin on Ethereum network. Now you can add liquidity, modify taxes, and enable trading. Thank you for watching. See you on to the next one.